Today's video is a DIY landscaping front yard makeover. In other words, it's a garden makeover. This is a labor of love and it includes the before and after images. As a DIY, this took about 7 hours and we were redoing the front lawn, and some of the goals I had for myself was to increase the curb appeal, as you can see where we started from. I also wanted to create a flower garden as well as increase knowledge around landscaping for myself. A big shout out to my friend Tony, who came together with this brilliant idea of putting everything in place, and we were just the supporting cast. And also a big shout out to my husband, who pitched in, although I didn't plan for him to do as much as he did, but he was there. So it all started here with having a company come in and take out about 2 inches of the lawn so we could start on a clean slate. And if this is your type of video, you want to see the end picture, please tag along and let's go to Home Depot and get this started. So some of the tips I learned after getting home from Home Depot is to lay your plants and your flowers out in the yard in the design you would like, and envision it, and you can rearrange this. I think I changed my design a couple of times. And the spacing of the plants is actually included in some of the placards that come in each plant. So it tells you how to maintain the spacing, and that helps. And so I was satisfied with this design, and this is what would move forward with, and we made the holes to start transplanting the flowers.
Lightning strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and so
So to stop the weeds that are on the other side, the neighbor's yard, from pollinating and coming onto my yard, what we did is, after planting the flowers, we put on top of it a landscaping mesh. So this is the black cloth you see there, and then we cut holes around each plant, so to make sure just the plant itself is exposed and anything below that is covered in this mesh, and this should help with the weed control. So hoping I will not be back to square one. We'll see how this holds up, but I've seen other people who've tried this and it's worked perfectly. So, and then on top of that, we poured black mulch on top. I used about, I would like to say, the first time around we bought 10 bags and I went back for 8 more, so about 18 bags in total. It does really add up. So we put the mulch on top and covered the plants, and I was happy with the final result. Looked really beautiful. So for the finishing look, I also went to Home Depot and got some solar lights, and I will include that I think when I do the lighting video, and they look really beautiful at night. They light up the space. I don't have to worry about a bill going up, my electricity bill, because it's all solar powered, which is great. I do have sprinklers under this lawn, so we also made sure the spacing did not, cover the sprinklers, and make sure we don't damage them, but we will likely not be using it as much. I prefer using the hose, as you can see, because it's more targeted until the plants are mature enough.